Hi, and welcome to Kids Ministry Tools. We're going to do a quick drawing of how to draw a cartoon Jesus. Now, obviously, we don't know what Jesus looked like, but we're going to go ahead and try and make a cartoon Jesus just to have some fun with that. Okay, we're going to start right here in the middle with his face. We're going to make this angle line just like that and bring it straight up just like that. So it almost looks like a number 2. Yep. And then we're going to bring that down just like so. Good. And then we're going to make a line coming down like here. Good. And then I'm going to go ahead and go up and then down. Almost like an upside down U. And then we're going to take that and extend it up to kind of give this U shape here. Awesome. I'm sure yours looks awesome too. A little line here for the mouth. Good. There we go. A little C for the nose. All right. Then we're going to draw like a pill right about here. And same here. And that is for the eyebrows. Gonna draw a circle here and a circle there for the eyes. Okay. I like to leave a little spot for a highlight. Awesome. I'm sure yours is looking excellent. We're going to save a little bit of a space here for the beard. So we're going to bring this all the way down like that. And bring it all the way back up to about right there. Good. We'll continue that around for the ear on both sides. Awesome. Now above the ear, we're going to go ahead and take it all the way up here. Bounce. Continue it down. Great job. I'm sure yours looks really good. Okay. I like to thicken up where the sideburns meet. We'll do a color in just a little bit, okay? All right. And there you have pretty much the face. And we'll color it and it'll look awesome here in a little bit, okay? Now, off the side here, we're going to go ahead and bring a line straight to this angle and copy it on this side. Then bring it down like so on both sides. Yep, just like that. And then right here, we're going to bring a line down and bring this one up to it. Good. Then from his chin, we're going to go ahead and bring a line down to meet that. And then over here, we're going to bring a line all the way down to about right there. Got it? Okay. And over here, we're going to go ahead and draw his thumb. So let's do that. Good. And bring another line out for his finger. And then we're going to bounce. Remember, it's a simple drawing. Out like that. There we go. Just that simple. Alright, and then the same on the other side. We're going to draw his thumb. Bounce it back. His first finger. And then kind of bring the palm back. Circle up back to his hand. And then straight from this cloth. Then where we extended this, we're going to bring it down with a bubble. And then back up. Another bubble. Back up. Let's go a little further. And a bubble here. And this we're going to take all the way up. Just like that. Awesome. Now we're going to continue this line and let it droop out. Like so. Then about here, we're going to draw another one. Let it come all the way over here. Draw little feet. The bottom. Like so. And there you have a simple Jesus. If you want to add a few extra details, you can. I like to add a few extra details. And there you have it, a very simple drawing of Jesus. Then you can add some color. And remember, if you ever get behind or just want to pause the video so you can catch up, feel free to do so, or even rewind if you have to. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. And there you have it, a very quick and easy cartoon drawing of Jesus. Hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.